Do you got a black car and want to make it shine? Well, today we're going to go over my top 5 products to keep any black car looking great. Let's get into it. Number 1 on our list is going to be a premium microfiber drying towel. Now, 95% of swirl marks and scratches come from improper washing and drying. So if you're using an old bath towel or a beach towel, you're going to get swirl marks and scratches on your car just like this. And when you have a black car, it shows even more. So I always like to buy a premium extra soft microfiber drying towel. This is the blue blazing towel. It's super big, it's extra soft, and it's not going to scratch your car. So if you want to invest in a great product to keep your black car looking great, you're going to want to get a great drying towel. Now, number 2 on our list is going to be a pH neutral washing shampoo. Now, when you're washing black cars, especially in the spring or the summer, it's going to get hot outside and the sun can cause streaks on the paint. Detailing any black car is hard to get streak free, but it's easy when you got the right soap. So when we wash black cars, we always like to use the Masterson's Wash and Shine shampoo. It's a pH balanced shampoo and you can use it in direct sunlight. So if it's spring or summer and you're outside and you want to wash your car in that afternoon, you can wash your car with this in direct sunlight. Plus, it's clean rinsing, so it's going to rinse off the car and you're not going to get those streaks and those spots on the black paint. Now, I like it in the 16 ounce, but if you want to wash your car every week like me, I recommend to pick up a gallon. Now, this way, your black car always stays streak and spot free. Number 3 on the list is going to be a great bucket wash system with a great wash mitt. Now, when you're washing your black car, you want to make sure that you keep those swirls and those scratches down. And the best way is to use a premium wash bucket, a good quality wash mitt, and one of these. This is called a bucket guard. Now, a bucket guard actually has fins on the bottom, so all the dirt and all the grime falls to the bottom of the bucket and doesn't get brought back up into the wash mitt. Now, when I wash black cars, I like to have a 2-bucket wash system, and I like to have a great microfiber wash mitt. Remember, 95% of swirl marks and scratches come from improper washing and drying. So if you got a great soap, you got great buckets, and you have a good wash mitt, your black car is going to stay looking like a mirror all year long. Number 4 on the list is going to be a great detail spray and some awesome microfiber towels. Now, when you're detailing a black car, you never want to use a duster. Those dusters can cause scratches and swirls on the car. So when I got dust and fingerprints on my black car, I always like to use a great detail spray and some premium microfiber towels. Now, the detail spray is going to help reduce friction on the paint. You never want to dry wipe your black car. That's going to rub the dirt into the car. A great detail spray lifts the dirt and reduces the friction on the paint. Plus, after you wash the car and you're going to use a great drying towel like our blue blazing towel, we recommend to spray the car first with detail spray. That helps push off the water and reduce the friction on the car. That way you get no swirls, no scratches, and you keep that mere black shine. And number 5 on the list is going to be a great Carnauba Wax. Now, when I'm detailing any vehicle, especially a black car, I always go for Carnauba Wax. Now, Carnauba Wax is the best for black cars because the natural carnauba and the oils inside of the wax give a deep luster and shine. Now, a lot of guys like to go with ceramic coatings or sealants, but for me, I'm old school and I like to go with Carnauba Wax. For me, Carnauba Wax makes black look like a mirror, especially our Masterson's original Carnauba Wax because of the gloss enhancers and the natural carnauba built into the wax. Plus, wax is going to protect your black paint, it's going to keep that shine, and it's going to reduce water spots and fading on your black cars. Now, if you have a really nice black car and you want to get the ultimate shine, I like to pick up paste wax like our Legend Paste Wax. The Legend Paste Wax has exotic oils and extracts inside of the paste wax, and it really gives the deepest, wettest look possible. So when I'm detailing a show car or a high-end vehicle or a detail like this Corvette in the back, I like to use our Legend Paste Wax for the best shine, the most depth, and the best protection. Now you know my top 5 products to keep your black car looking great. Now, if you use these products and use great techniques, your black car is always going to shine just like a mirror. Now, if you want to pick up all the best black car products for your ride, go ahead and head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and get all the best products to make your black car look like a mirror. Now, I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty
Don't